that goes up the side of this. Alright, looks like I'm not the only one to come to the top of these falls. Bad news is I wasn't planning on this, so I'm in sneakers with no traction. But it's not that bad. And now I'll get to the top of this falls and have a little discussion. That's awesome. This is how people usually have to be rescued. Oh, I was just taking lunch and decided to walk to the top of a waterfall in the middle of nowhere. Whoever's building that house is gonna have a great view. That looks beautiful. Oh, look what I found. Who the hell brought a picnic table up here? LKTV Club brought it up here. Sweet. Donated by Metallic ATV Club. Shout out Metallic ATV Club. I know it's been a while. If you look at the last video, it was like 2 months ago. I'm covered in paint, and that's pretty much why I haven't been around making videos or content or getting out into the woods and the mountains as much as I would hope to. I have an investment property up north, North Stratford. I'm in Colebrook right now, Coos County, way up north. If you're from New Hampshire, you know that there's not much more north than this. But anyways, I've been concentrating on getting this investment property to a point where I can flip it and get it on the market, get it out from underneath my hair so that I can get the funds and get the money in order to be able to do what I love. So just know that I have not hung it up. I'm still here. I know I've got a lot of new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. But yeah, just know there's more content coming. Winter's on its way. We have a couple big hikes that we're going to do before winter comes. We always do some winter hiking and definitely some snowboarding and maybe some other stuff too added in. So please subscribe, please share this, please like this, and know that I'm still here, and I'll be back in the next few days with some more epic content for you. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you soon.